Hi, my name is Jin, and today I will show you how to create new table in Oracle SQL and make the ID as a primary key, i.e. auto increment. When you create a new table in Oracle, so you cannot set the auto increment property for any table. So the latest version for now is 12c. It supports the property identity that will have the ID auto increment. But the previous version of Oracle, you cannot set it, or you cannot using this property. So that means in this tutorial today I will show you how to make it increment for the ID in the table. Okay, so the first thing we will create a table, name it user info, and it contains the ID and name column here. And after that, we will create a sequence and name it user info. And the next one, we will create a new trigger and name it in my trigger. And in this trigger, we will call the sequence user info sequence to get the next value. That means we will make the ID for the user information info table will automatically increment when we insert new value into that table. Okay, so now I will open the SQL Oracle SQL developer to take the step. Okay, so the first we will create a table. And run it. Table created. Okay. Okay, so now, for example, if we want to insert the data into that table, we have to do so. You have to enter the value for ID and also the name. That's fine. Okay. So now we can select here. But now when we create the sequence and also create a trigger to make the ID automatically increment. So when you insert the data into the user info, you don't need to enter the ID for value for the ID column here. Only need to enter the value for name column. Okay, so now I will okay. So now we don't have to create a new sequence here. I will copy it. Run. Next I will create a trigger. Okay, the trigger rename in my trigger, and here before insert the data into the user info, we will execute this one to encrypt the ID. Okay, run. Okay, so try to refresh this one. You can go to the sequence here, user info sequence created here, and also the trigger. my title here. Okay, so now I will try to insert. But first I will select the data from the user info. No row selected. So now I will insert into the table user info. Insert it again. Okay. So now to try to select it again. Here we have 4 row data here and the ID is automatically increased 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Also, you can able to create table by click here, new table, and you can name it for any name. Enter the word clue here. Any number. Number. Not known. Name. Okay. You see the code here. Priority. And hit OK button. Expand this, and you can see one here. And you can click to data. You can insert a file here for it. One insert here. Okay, and then try to refresh this one, or as of the first you have to commit the change. Okay, and try to refresh this one. So now you can open this editor and select from one. Okay, so I hope this tutorial will helpful for you guys. So in this tutorial I already have you how to create a table in Oracle SQL and make the ID as a primary key and make it auto increment when you insert the new data into the table. Okay, so if you are using the Oracle version in trial C or select another version, so you can use the identity property, and you don't need to create a table, then sequence, then trigger. Okay, so let me know if you need more information. Bye bye and see you in the next tutorial. Happy coding!